Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want us to look at sets in paper 2 grade 12 exams. So in 2016, sets came under question 2A, and the question says, of the 50 villagers who can tune into combined radio station, 29 listen to news, 25 listen to sports, 22 listen to music, 11 listen to both news and sports, 9 listen to both sports and music, 12 listen to both news and music, 4 listen to all the 3 programs, and 2 do not listen to any program. Question 1. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information. 2A. How many villagers listen to music only? 2B. How many villagers listen to one type of program only? 2C. How many villagers listen to 2 types of programs only? Okay, so to answer question 1, we need a Venn diagram, and a Venn diagram is simply a rectangular shape and which has sets inside. Okay, so we have a rectangular shape like that. Then this one is the universal set. So this rectangular shape is the universal set. Now we need more sets inside. When you look at the information given, we're told that the radio station had news, music, and sports. So that tells us that we are dealing with the 3 sets. Even at the end of the question, it says all the 3 programs. So inside we need 3 sets, and those 3 sets we can use circles or oval shapes. So we have set 1, set 2, set 3. Okay, so they are drawn in that manner because when you read the information, you find that some villages are listening to all the 3 programs, others to 2 programs. So we need intersection sets, and when we draw them like that, we are given intersection sets. So we can label these sets. This one can be for news, this one for sports, and that one for music. So N for news, S for sports, and M for music. Okay, so the information we are given would write down the information given so that it's easy to transfer it to the Venn diagram. Okay, so the information we are given, if I start with the sets inside, I have those who listen to news, so number of elements in set N, or villagers who listen to news, we are told that they are 29. Then those who listen to sports, number of elements in set S, we are told that there are 25. Then those who listen to music, number of elements in set M, we are told that they are 22. Okay, so this information means in this set N, I need to have 29 villages. In this one, which is set S, I need to have 25 villagers. Then in set M, this circle, I need to have 22 villagers. Okay, the next thing I'll need is to look at the intersection sets. Okay, again, I go back to my data. So number of elements in N intersection S intersection M. Okay, so this set is for those who listen to all the 3 programs. Okay, those who listen to news plus those who listen to those who listen to news as well as sports and music. In the information given, we are told that they are 4. So we have 4 villagers who listen to all the 3 programs. Then those who listen to news and sports, we are told that they are those who listen to news and sports, we are told that there are 11. Okay, those who listen to news and music, they are 12, and those who listen to sports and music are 9. Okay, so these sets are these. So those who listen to news and sports is that set, then sports and music is that one, news and music is that one, then those who listen to all the 3 programs is this cassette on the middle. Okay, then the other information we have is that 2 do not listen to any program. Okay, so 2 don't listen to any program. Okay, so if we were to write the notations, this set can be N union M union S complement, like that. We use not the curly brackets but the normal ones. So those who do not listen to any program, they are 2. Okay, after doing that, now we can transfer this information to the Venn diagram. Okay, so I will advise that you start with this cassette on the middle. Okay, start by putting the number of villagers who listen to all the 3 programs. So when you look at the data we have, we are talking about this set. Okay, so those who listen to all the 3 programs are 4, and I'll bring the 4 on the middle like that. If you look at this box, it's covering all the 3 sets. It has like a piece from M, from S, from M and S, from, so it's catering for all the 3 programs. Okay, so you put your 4 there. Then next I'll go to intersection sets. Okay, so you can start with we are done with this one. When we go to intersection sets, N intersection S, those who listen to news and sports, I said we are talking about this set. Okay, so we are told that 11 villagers listen to news and sports, so we need to have 11 villagers in this set. So we are given 4 already who listen to all the 3. So for me to know the number to put here, I would simply subtract 4 from 11. So 11 minus 4 will give me 7, and I'm going to put 7 here. Okay, so 7 plus 4 is 11, and those who listen to news and sports, they are 11. So that's the set. The next one, I can look at sports and music. Okay, where are we? Okay, we are done with this one. Here the next one is news and music, but we can start with any. So we follow this one, news and music, meaning we were looking at this set. Okay, so those who listen to news and music are 12, and when we look at this, we are already given 4, so we subtract 4 from 12, and this is giving us 8, meaning I have to put 8 there. So 8 plus 4 is 12, those who listen to news and music. Then I've remained with sports and music. So those who listen to sports and music are 9. Okay, I already have the 4 there. 9 minus 4 will give me 5, meaning I have to put a 5 there. 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, so we are done with intersection sets. Now we go to sets one by one. Okay, so I'll go back to that data. The first set is N for news. So we are looking at this set. Okay, we are told that in this set there are 29 villagers. Okay, now we are not going to put this 29 there, no, because we already have these ones. Okay, so add these, then subtract the sum from 29. So we are saying we have 8 plus 4 plus 7. This will give us 19, because 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 7 is 19. So we already have 19 villagers in this set. Now when we subtract 19 from 29, you find that we'll have 10. So 10 has to be put or to be written there outside these other sets. Okay, next we go to sports. We are told that those who listen to sports are 25. When we look at what we have done so far, we already have some villagers there. So again, we add 7 plus 5 plus 4. This will give us 16, because 5 plus, yes, 16. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. We are not writing 16 there. This is what we have here. Okay, so we subtract that 16 from 25. And this will give us 9. Yes, so we write our 9 there. Next we have for music, so we're going to add 8 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, this is going to give us 17, because 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17. Okay, so we already have 17, and the total for those who listen to music is 22. So 22 minus 17 will give us 5. Yes, so we're going to put 5 there. Okay, so again, what I mean by this is when you add these 5 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4, it should give you 22. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. Again, for sports, when we add this, we should get 25. So 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. Then here we have 10 plus 8 giving us 18. 18 plus 7 18 plus 7 plus 4 should give us 29. Okay, so we are done with the sets there. The next thing is for us to look at, so we are done with this, is to look at the complement set. N union M union S complement. Elements that are not in these 3 sets. We have 2, and these 2 has to be put outside those 3 sets, but it has to be inside the Venn diagram. Okay, so 2 is written outside the circles, but it's inside the rectangular shape like that. Okay, so when you add all these, they should give you 50 villagers, because in the information given, we are told that there are 50 villagers at that village who tune into Kambani radio station. So when we add all these, those in the sets plus 2, the answer should be 50. If it's more or less, then you should check your work again. It means you've gone wrong somewhere. Okay, so that's for question 1, the answer for question 1. Then we have 2a, which is saying how many villagers listen to music only. Okay, so when you've written your Venn diagram, you've illustrated the information in the Venn diagram, it will be easy for you. Okay, it will be easy for you to answer this question. So for those who listen to music only, simply go to the Venn diagram, look at the set for music, and the answer there is simply 5 villagers. When you look at these are these listen to sports and music, these listen to all the 3 programs, these ones to news and music. So the ones who only listen to music are 5. So the answer here is simply 5 villagers. Then B. 2B says how many villagers listen to one type of program only. Okay, again, when you look at your Venn diagram, 5 only listen to music, 9 listen to sports only, 10 listen to news only. So we need to add these. Okay, 10 plus 9 plus 5, and the answer is 24. 10 plus 9 is 19, 19 plus 5 is 24. So 24 villagers listen to one type of program only. See how many villagers listen to 2 types of programs only. So you need to look at the intersection sets, except the one on the middle. So those who listen to 2 types of programs only, we need to look at 5, 7, and 8, because 7 listen to news and sports, 5 listen to sports and music, 8 listen to news and music. Again, we're going to add 7 plus 5 plus 8. So 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. So the answer here is 20 villagers. Okay, so here we simply got 5 from here. Then there we added 5, 9, and 10. Here we've added 7, 5, and 8. Okay, so that's all about this question. Like I said, when you're illustrating here, start with the intersection sets. So you start with the middle part, then you go to other intersection sets, then to the sets you are dealing with. Okay, see you next time when we look at 2017.